To change language in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight 10 working solutions. For 1, change language from in-game settings. Launch the game, open settings, options, go to language, select your preferred language. Click apply, restart the game. 2, change language from main menu. Start the game, stay on the title screen, open options, find language settings, choose your language, relaunch the game. Change Steam game language. Open Steam library. Right-click the game, select Properties. Open language, choose your desired language, wait for Steam to update files. 4. Use Steam launch options. Open Steam library, right-click the game, open Properties. In launch options, type Nash language English. Start the game again. 5. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify integrity of game files, wait for repair process. Number 6. Edit config file manually. Open File Explorer, go to Game Config folder, open Settings/config file with Notepad, find language equals, change language value, save the file, restart game. Number 7. Delete corrupted settings file. Go to Game Save Config folder, delete settings file, launch the game again, set language from fresh settings. Now start 8. Change Windows region and language. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, change Windows display language, restart your PC, launch the game again. 9. Run game as administrator. Right-click Game shortcut, select Run as administrator, try changing language again, save settings before exiting. That's 10. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall the game completely. Delete leftover config folders. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Set language during first launch.